The upgrade was made possible through funding of EC $81,076.50 under the Blue-Green Digital Innovation Challenge, an initiative that forms part of the GEF-funded Climate Resilience Agriculture Project. The broader project is designed to enhance the resilience of agricultural systems by integrating climate-smart and technology-driven solutions. Chief Executive Officer of Grenada Chicken Farms Limited, Kyron Crossdale, said the introduction of digital tools will modernize operations and improve efficiency across the farm's production processes.
We developed a vertically integrated poultry operation where we hatch, grow, process, and freeze and package, in addition to distribution. We used the grant funding from the CRM project to retrofit the houses with climate control sensors and a computer monitor to control the amount of feed, amount of water, the humidity, and the air speed and temperature inside the houses. So the houses are fully enclosed, and therefore, by using the apparatuses from the CRM project, we're able to really have superior results from the growing operations.
The Blue-Green Digital Innovation Challenge supports entrepreneurs and micro, small and medium-sized enterprises by encouraging the integration of innovative and digital technologies into their operations, positioning them to better compete in a rapidly evolving agricultural landscape.
The production rate for Grenada would be about £1 million a year. Just the last year, while we're not at full capacity, we would have produced about £3 million. Now the capacity of the whole project is about 12.5 million. We're hoping to significantly reduce the importation of poultry to Grenada as a whole. So as a whole, Grenada would have imported between 15 to 20 million pounds, depending on the economic cycle. With this facility, we're hoping to significantly reduce the importation of said poultry, which will allow us to shore up our food security and create sustainable poultry protein products produced locally, which is much fresher and much more cost-effective.
Grenada Chicken Farm currently operates the island's largest poultry growing facilities with a maximum capacity of 75,000 chicks. The establishment comprises 3 houses, each capable of accommodating 25,000 birds. The implementation of a digital traceability system will enhance monitoring, data collection, and quality control, aligning the farm with international best practices while maintaining a competitive edge. Officials say the Blue-Green Digital Innovation Challenge represents a significant step forward for Grenada's agricultural sector, underscoring the country's commitment to innovation, digital transformation, and long-term resilience in food production. Chrislina John, GBN News.